Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the CAME BXV automation for sliding gates. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals, electrician's scissors, and a wire stripper. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Let's start with the installation of the module inside the automation. Remove the electronic board, insert the green power module into the left guide, and replace the electronic board. Remove the two cables, blue and brown, coming from the transformer from the line filter. Using scissors, cut the two fastens from the cables just removed from the line filter. Strip the two wires. And connect them to the terminal block supplied with the module. Connect the blue wire to L1T and the brown wire to L2T. Insert the terminal block into the green power module in the position indicated. Connect the module to the line filter using the cable with the two fastens. Using the second cable provided, connect the green power module to the electronic board via the STB terminal block. Verify that the F60 function is correctly set to the value 2. Access with the Enter key and scroll through the menu until you reach the F60 function, then press Enter again to check the value. If the F60 function is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware. Use the CAME key and the Setup app to update. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the display LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.came.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing CAME for your automatic gate.